Hello friends, so today I will unbox the Redmi Note 8. So if I look on the key features of it, so it comes with 48 megapixel AI quad camera, okay, 4000 mAh battery, Qualcomm Snapdragon 665, and with Gorilla Glass 5 front and back, which comes with 6.3-inch display. Okay, and it has a 13 megapixel AI selfie camera. So it has dual SIM with dedicated SD card option. So I'll just open this box.
All we'll ever trust, yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So this is the pin, SIM ejector pin, and comes with a transparent cover. Some user manual. Let me take it aside. So this is the basically transparent cover. You can see that. Now check the phone. So this is something great. It has a premium look as it covered with a glass texture as you can see, with 2 nano SIM slot and with dedicated micro SD card. So it looks pretty and cool. Let's just turn it on.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Along the way, melodies.
As you can see, let me check about the phone. So it has MIUI version 11.05, and it comes with Android version 9, and storage is 64 GB. And RAM is 4 GB. Let me check the camera of it. This is macro. Not, this is the camera basically. And it comes with 18-watt charger. So this is the major advantage the MI gives you, that it provides a fast charger with this cell phone. So This is all comes with the Redmi Note 8.